Google Ads Tips for Small Businesses, a comprehensive guide. In today's digital landscape, Google Ads offers small businesses a powerful platform to increase visibility, attract new customers, and drive growth. With its pay-per-click (PPC) model, businesses only pay when users interact with their ads, making it a cost-effective advertising solution. However, to maximize the benefits of Google Ads, it's essential to understand its mechanics and implement best practices. 1. Understanding Google Ads. Google Ads operates on a PPC basis, where advertisers bid on keywords relevant to their products or services. When users search for these keywords, the ads appear in search results or across Google's display network. Advertisers are charged only when users click on their ads, ensuring that the budget is spent on actual engagement. 2. Setting clear objectives. Before launching a campaign, define what you aim to achieve. Increase website traffic, drive more visitors to your site, generate leads, collect contact information from potential customers, boost sales, encourage purchases of your products or services. Enhance brand awareness, make more people aware of your brand. Having clear goals helps in selecting the appropriate campaign type and measuring success effectively. 3. Keyword research and selection. Keywords are the foundation of Google Ads. To select effective keywords, use keyword research tools. Tools like Google's Keyword Planner can help identify relevant keywords with high search volumes. Focus on long-tail keywords. These are more specific phrases that often have lower competition and higher conversion rates. Incorporate negative keywords. Exclude terms that are not relevant to your business to avoid wasting ad spend. 4. Crafting compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and persuasive. Highlight unique selling propositions. USPS. Emphasize what sets your business apart. Include a strong call to action. CTA. Encourage users to take the desired action, such as buy now or learn more. Match ad copy to keywords. Ensure that your ad text aligns with the keywords you're targeting for relevance. 5. Optimizing landing pages. The landing page is where users arrive after clicking your ad. To optimize it, ensure relevance. The content should match the ad's promise. Simplify navigation. Make it easy for users to find information and take action. Include clear CTAs. Guide users toward the next step, whether it's making a purchase or filling out a form. 6. Budgeting and bidding strategies. Manage your ad spend effectively. Set daily budgets. Determine how much you're willing to spend each day. Choose appropriate bidding strategies. Options include manual CPC, enhanced CPC, and automated bidding, each with its advantages. Monitor performance. Regularly review your campaigns to adjust bids and budgets as needed. 7. Utilizing ad extensions. Ad extensions provide additional information and can improve click-through rates. Site link extensions link to specific pages on your website. Call extensions allow users to call your business directly from the ad. Location extensions display your business address and encourage local visits. 8. Geotargeting for local reach. If your business serves a specific area, use geotargeting to show ads to users in that location. This ensures that your ads reach the most relevant audience and can improve conversion rates. 9. A/B testing and continuous improvement. Regularly test different elements of your ads to determine what works best. Test headlines and descriptions. See which combinations yield higher engagement. Experiment with CTAs. Try different calls to action to find the most effective one. Analyze results. Use Google Ads reporting tools to assess performance and make data-driven decisions. 10. Monitoring and analytics. Track your campaigns to measure success and identify areas for improvement. Use conversion tracking. Monitor actions like purchases or form submissions resulting from your ads. Review key metrics. Focus on click-through rate CTR, cost per click CPC, and return on ad spend ROAS. Adjust accordingly based on performance data. Refine your keywords, ad copy, and bidding strategies. By implementing these strategies, small businesses can leverage Google Ads to effectively reach their target audience, drive meaningful engagement, and achieve their marketing objectives. Staying updated with trends and best practices. The digital advertising landscape is constantly evolving. To stay ahead, follow industry blogs, regularly read blogs and updates from Google Ads and other reputable sources. Attend webinars and workshops. Participate in training sessions to learn new strategies and tools. Engage with online communities. Join forums and groups where professionals share insights and experiences. Leveraging local advertising. For small businesses targeting local customers, geotargeting. Set your ads to appear only in specific geographic locations relevant to your business. Local service ads. Utilize these ads to connect with customers searching for services in your area. Incorporate location keywords. Include city or neighborhood names in your keywords and add copy to attract local traffic.